शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें। अब गहरी सांस लीजिए और रोके। Let's take a deep breath in and hold the breath. Notice the stillness in the mind and stop holding. Relax. Let the breath escape on its own. Let's breathe in again, a forceful inhalation. Fill your lungs to the capacity and hold the breath as long as you can, and keep your attention in your throat region. And stop holding. Notice how the breath is coming out, like the water that flows out of a kit. Breath is coming out like the air that comes out of a balloon when its head is loosened. Another deep breath in, breathe in with force. Hold the breath and let's keep our attention in our throat region. And feel the heartbeat. Now stop holding, relax, and notice how slowly the breath is finding its way out. Keeping your attention in the throat. Once again, let's take a deep breath in. गले में अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपना विशुद्धि चक्र है, गले में ध्यान रखते हुए जोर से सांस लीजिए और रोकिए सांस को, रोके रहें। मन की, शरीर की स्तब्धता पर ध्यान दें और शरीर को ढीला छोड़ें, सांस को बाहर आने दीजिए। One last time, let's breathe in, hold the breath and keep your attention in the throat region. Notice this moment your lungs are full, your head is empty, your breath is held in the throat region. And relax. As you relax, the breath moves out, the mind still remains empty. इस वक्त हमारा सिर खाली है, शून्य है और छाती भरी हुई छाती से फिर सांस बाहर निकल रही है धीरे धीरे। अब शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें, सांस की सहज आवागमन को देखते जाएं। Now relax your body and observe the natural rhythm of the breath. शरीर में कहीं कहीं असुविध संवेदनाएं हो सकती है, उनको वैसे रहने दें शरीर। Your body may feel little discomfort or unpleasant emotions here and there may pop up. Just let them be there. Let us not try to chase them out. However, our body and its sensation are there right this moment, let it be. शरीर में जो भी संवेदनाएं इस वक्त हैं, बेचैनी हो या किसी भी तरह की पीड़ा हो, रहने दे, कोई बात नहीं। Let us take our mind around our body like a wrapping paper. हम अपने मन को शरीर को मन से लपेट लेंगे। Let us wrap our body like a piece of cloth by our mind. Let's begin with our feet. Wrap your feet, both feet together, both legs together. Your mind is wrapping your whole body. Mind is wrapping around the body. मन लपेट लिया है शरीर को। लपेटते लपेटते पेट तक आ जाइए। पाँवों को लपेट लिया, पेट। Wrap your body with the cloth called your mind. Let it wrap around your body to the central part of the body, middle part of the body is all wrapped. And take your mind all the way to the top of the head. शरीर को लपेटते लपेटते अपने मन को सिर के चोटी पर लेके आए। वहां जैसे गांठ कर लिया हो, ऐसे अपने मन को सिर के चोटी पर रखें। As though you have sealed the wrapping, take your attention to the top of the head. Now let us say the word Om once. Take a deep breath in. Now notice all those unpleasant sensations are giving way to calmness, peace, and pleasantness. The sound Om burns down all the impurities, leaving you pristine pure. फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए। ओमकार का ध्वनि करते हैं। इस ध्वनि से सारा कल्मश भस्म हो जाती है। शरीर में जो भी गंदगी है, सब मल एकदम भस्म हो गया, समझे। Feel the sound in every cell of your body and mind. Now just relax. Let go all your efforts. सभी प्रयत्न छोड़ दें. इस वक्त केवल विश्राम ही करना है. विश्राम करें. A gentle attention in the throat, but let go immediately. A हल्का सा ध्यान गले में रखें और छोड़ दें. पूरी तरह से छोड़ दें. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें. आपके शरीर से तरंगें उठ रही हैं. वे चारों ओर दीवार को स्पर्श कर रही हैं. The vibrations from your body is touching the walls all around you. You are the vibrations. The vibration that are emitted by your bodies is still you. Become aware of all the walls and the space in between. चारों दीवालों को स्मरण कर लें और ये पूरी जगह पर आपका सुगंध फैला हुआ है. आप व्याप्त हो. इस सत्य को, इस तथ्य को हम स्वीकार करें. अब सिर के ऊपर खाली जगह है. छत तक की दूरी पर अपना मन को रखें. Become aware of the empty space above your head up to the ceiling of the hall you are sitting. Let's take another deep breath in, and as we breathe out, relax even more. And keep your eyes closed and relax. Sit back and relax. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, let them come. We welcome all the thoughts. Good thoughts, bad thoughts, never mind. Let them come. They come and they go. You are able to look inward when you close your eyes to the external scenery. From the scenery, let us take our attention to the seer, that is you. Your mind is seeing through the eyes. The scenery is outside. Let us retrieve our mind back to the eyes and to the consciousness that is you. Let's take another deep breath in and relax. गहरी सांस लीजिए सांस छोड़ते वक्त और विश्राम करें। Let's keep a big smile on our face and breathe in with the smile and breathe out with the smile. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस लेते हैं, मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस छोड़ते हैं। As we smile, all the muscles in our face get relaxation. Let us relax our temples. Our stress begins in our temples. Let's keep a big smile and pay attention to the temples, right side and left side of the temple. Let us relax our forehead. We don't know how many times we have frowned, and each time we frowned, we accumulated stress. This is the time to let go and relax. Relax your forehead. And let's take our attention to our eyes. Let us relax our eyes. Let's take our attention to both the ears. Our ears are the culprits. They have been catching different unpleasant words from here and there and creating more stress in our mind. This time, let us relax our ears. Let's take our attention to the back of the head. You may remember whenever you are very tensed, your hand goes to the back of the head as well. It goes to the temple and also goes to the back of the head. Relax every cell, the back of your head. Let us pay little more attention to the back of the head. मस्तिष्क पर ध्यान दें. सिर के पिछला जो भाग है वहाँ एक एक कण को विकसित होने दें, मुस्कुराने दें. Let every cell in the back of your head blossom, relax and smile. Now observe your breath. The temperature has changed, rhythm has changed, the length of the breath has changed. The quiver has changed tremendously. The quiver of the breath has calmed down. Let it be. This moment, there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just relax. Let us honor our own body. Let's honor our mind and our breath. Another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Become aware of the environment you are in, the scenery around you. Let's breathe in again. And as we breathe out, let us become conscious of our environment and our whole planet. Let us honor our own environment. May everybody be happy. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. You are peace. You are peace. You are peace. Another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let us become aware of our body and surroundings. And you may gently open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हो. लाइट कर.